Day 7 and Image Castle, and I stayed at my friend Kian's place last night. Today I'm gonna head towards Onomichi in Hiroshima, or I'll probably stop by somewhere in Okayama Prefecture. End of day 7. Right, yeah, 7. So I'm 50 kilometers away from Onomichi. So I'll be going there tomorrow, and I actually booked a hostel, so I'll explore around that area. Today I'm gonna tent right here. It's actually right next to train tracks. The Shinkansen right there as well, but yeah, surprisingly Shinkansen is super quiet and it's super fast, so yeah, it's just like and it's gone. Alright, set time.
Nami no sazayaki yo ore o jibite kurei yo so I feel like my soul can flow with nothing to keep me low. Yeah, I know it's a demo can't grow if I keep letting things get to me. So for a bit more, I'll go to flow away with the gotta ride that wave even low tide. Take chances, no drive-by. Let the scene sink in, override all the nonsense taking up your time. So you see it stretch fast, far and wide. No matter where I'm looking for high, wanna avoid that 9-5 stuck in me try, so I left to feel fucking live. Hear 波の音、空の色、feel 風が背負う意味もなくいつまでたってもやってないってんじゃない。突っ張ってる自分はしょうがなくない。風に乗れば景色は変わる。邪魔なのは自信のなさ。芯をつけろと言うけどさ、つけがないとなんもないな。やりたいことやってるだけで幸せ入れるか。言いたいこと言える結果なんかいいか。気持ちはいつ高まる強まるか。Quick pause, fade out, right now. Let me breathe it in, this wind. 見えない先なんてどうだっていい。今見る景色を感じれない。波のささやきよ俺を導いてくれよ So I feel like my soul can flow with nothing to keep me low. Yeah, I know いつまでも can't grow if I keep letting things get to me. So for a bit more, I'll go to flow away with the ocean breeze. It's stopping every minute in my fucking brain. Tick tock goes about don't drive me insane. Feels like I'm lost since the buddies came. Things just seem dark even light of day. So I make rad tracks to keep sane. Spit rhymes till day, I feel great. Looking forward to sit back, appreciate being high every day, it's my fate. それまでは自由味わって今できることをやって悔やんでた日々は今の蘇生戻りたくないぜ Yesterdays 気づけば少ないで愛と信頼できる身近にいたい存在 Inside のすれ違い社会 Wondering why we lie What surrounds me now is inside 周りがなくても自分でいたい Do I really need to feel so high 全てを風に任せたい So I'm taking drive to see やっぱり必要自然な See Reset my mind Nowhere to breeze Mess with me Finally free 波よいつまでも俺を押し返してくれよ So whenever I'm low my soul can find its way back to the shore Yeah I know いつまでも can't grow If I keep letting things get to me So for a bit more I'll go to the floor
Alright, about to go on the third bridge. Oh, I'm so lucky. It's super nice weather today. Alright, let's take a quick break and yeah, right back at it. Yeah, Shimanami Kaido was so nice. So now I'll be biking along the coast for 100 kilometers until I get to the ferry to get to Kyushu. Gonna chill here for a bit, man. Yep, I'll be back on the road in a sec.
You're good at showing all your negative emotions, but where are the devotions? Sunk deep on his knees, so deep as the ocean. Just praying to be freed, begging with someone just please release me, just wanna be seen. Until the day you awake and stop being afraid of caring. Make changes so dangerous to where you lose your senses. Make consensus from the nonsense, shred to pieces of your own self, superintendent. School of thoughts where there's war every second. Bring the peace and then we'll see in a minute that this place you be headed, it's a place that be talking about legends.
Biked 120 kilometers today. And I'll get to camp out, on the beach. It's nice. Gonna chill. Rest of the night. That's the ferry I took, and now here comes the hard part. It's gonna rain soon, and I got Mount Aso, which is really big, and then I'm at Kumamoto. Let's see how far I can get today. Let's go.
like I own it, or a thing or two about life, but deep down I'm always scared to lose sight of what's all around me. Fear keeps me from home. Finding discomfort every place that I land. Feel disguised all damn time. Not a chance to feel alive. Something right. Stop and breathe. Just maybe you're missing the scene. Yeah, I've been all alone. I've seen devils on thrones. I felt close to death, sunk deep in regrets. With nowhere to go, I don't know what is home. What more does it take to be home? To be home.求めてたこの日々は気づかぬうちにずれ、神聖なありがとう言うことない関係が増えていつからか。
Bike quite a bit today. I'm at a rest area. Only 50 kilometers to go. Yeah, I really need a shower. So I can't wait for that tomorrow. Alright, just set up my tent.
Felt close to death, sunk deep in regrets. With nowhere to go, I don't know what is home. What more does it take to be home? I've been all alone, I've seen devils on thrones. Felt close to death, sunk deep in regrets. With no faith at all, I don't know what is hope. What more does it take to be home? Yeah, I've been alive and well, got my reasons to breathe. I've looked past the pain, beyond the mundane. It wouldn't let me go, but it was me keeping hold. Just let it go, to be home. Just let it go, to be home. To be home.
Yes, I made it to Kumamoto. I'm in my friend's apartment with as many plants. Yeah, it was a crazy journey. I would say the highlights were like Shimanami Kaido. It was super beautiful. The weather was great too, and biking along the coast of Shikoku was nice. And also, nice as always. Second time going there this time. I really recommend biking through Japan, especially the second half. So the west side. Yeah, there are many cool sights. I didn't get to do much sightseeing this time. I was just so focused on arriving. Japan is definitely the place to do a bike trip. Yeah, that was my trip. If you have any questions, please comment below. I can answer them the best I can. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a safe and amazing adventure as well. Alright, peace.
Could you free my mind, unwind what binds me, heal me like I've never been broken. My mind's heavy, from devils yelling dance with me, going that's or better to be, discerning the keys to unlock my inner sanity.